Good morning. So I'm doing the update this morning on the weight loss process. So once again, something cool has happened this morning because I have hit a spot where the tummy fat has started being released into the bloodstream and is being seen as fat. So there's two types of fat that the bioimpedance screenings show, and today's day 5 of the very low calorie diet. So it's sort of part of when I first did this and saw this on my first dozen clients, I was thinking, what the hell is going on? Because I really didn't understand it. And at the time, the people teaching the bioimpedance screenings really didn't understand it as well. So once I got it, it really gave me an understanding that many other practitioners didn't get because they were purely looking at the numbers and weren't thinking about what was going on. So this morning, so I'm day 5 of the very low calorie diet on HCG, the weight loss process. Once again, basically the idea of it is that it releases brown fat from deep inside your body. The best thing about HCG is that if it's done correctly, it eliminates fat tissue in your body, eliminates. But that's only if it's done correctly for 23 to 40 days first, plus consolidation of 23 to 42 days. So unless you do that whole process, you do not eliminate the fat cells and you do not keep the fat off. So that's why people say, oh, it didn't work for me. Well, you haven't done it correctly if it didn't work for you. Pure and simple. I've done this with hundreds and hundreds of people. So, and the people who have success are the people who do exactly what I just said. And then when you really start questioning, oh, well, I did start adding in some chips at night. There's no big carbs in consolidation unless you do the reset days, the steak days, the apple days afterwards. If you don't do those, once again, you are not doing consolidation correctly. So let's have a look. So once again, day 5. So there's a couple of things that have got worse if you purely look at the numbers, but because, this is the thing, I love pulling apart the details. My weight this morning on the scales fully clothed was 70.7. Yesterday it was 71.3. So once again, since Saturday, it's gone 73.1, 73.3, 72, 71.3, and now 70.7. So another 600 grams on the scale this morning, which is great. But my fat mass on the machine looks like it's up 600 grams. So you go, oh my God, how did that happen? Well, that's because the machine measures different types of fat in different way. Tummy fat, that omental fat, it actually registers as ATM, active tissue mass, because that tummy fat releases at least 32 inflammatory hormones all day, every day. So my regular fat, which is measured in the fat mass on the bioimpedance screening, it's gone from 9.7 kilos up to 10.44 kilos. But my tummy fat measurement, or my active tissue mass, which includes muscles, so I don't want this to get too low, has gone from an excess of 0.86 of a kilo down to 0.01 of a kilo. So basically what that tells me is that I've shifted about 850 grams, so nearly a kilo of tummy fat out into the bloodstream that's being registered as regular fat. So for me, I look at this and I'm like, yay, I'm moving tummy fat. Let's face it, as women, that's what we want. So tummy fat's it can be that harder stuff to move, and this is why I love HCG. My BMI's gone, once again, it was on Saturday morning, it was 28.55, went up to 28.63 on Tuesday. But it's been coming down slowly, and today it's 27.62. So I didn't quite get the halfway between regular and obese. I wanted to be less than the halfway between them. Oh, well, that'll be tomorrow probably. So, and my inflammation's gone down again. So once again, I took 4 inflavonoids again before bed last night to try to keep reducing that inflammation, and it has gone down from 8.07 to 6.8. And once again, that one needs to be in the negatives, because once it's in the negatives, it's a sign that your body is pulling fluid into your body and releasing fat mass. Where I am with my fluid, down a bit from yesterday, but I had quite a few visitors yesterday. So I actually had about 5 black coffees through the day and I didn't drink enough water. What did I say in my video yesterday? I don't drink enough water some days. So I'm going to really hammer the water today, and then when I do it tomorrow, I shall see what happens, because my extracellular fluid, the fluid outside my cells, is up 500 grams and it's down 500 grams inside the cells, which you can imagine that's a kilo different, not having, so therefore, even though I'm marginally hydrated and my inflammation's going down, it's still not great. I still need to get more and more fluid inside the cells. Let me check what percentage of fluid I've got inside there. See, and actually it's not going to be better, is it? That doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I'm still under 50%. So for women, it's really hard to get 50% of fluid on the inside of the cells. Men, it's easy to get 60%. But anyway, so hopefully by the end of the weekend, I'll be up over 50. Okay, talk soon. Bye.